Hi, hello, and welcome to my channel. I'm Nash, and today we are going to sit down and we are going to dye my hair pink. For this today, I used the Manic in the shade Hot Pink. I kind of showed you guys how I used it, what I did to create this pink look in my hair. So if you're curious to see how I dye my hair pink, then make sure you just keep on watching. But first, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I do post a new video every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel, so you don't want to miss out on that. And I am going to do a giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers as well, so you definitely don't want to miss out on a little prize. Otherwise, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Alright you guys, so today we are going to be dyeing my hair. I'm not going to do it in here because I don't want to make a huge mess in here. Last time I dyed my hair in here, there was pink everywhere. But we are dyeing it pink again today. So I am going to use, I've never tried this brand, but it's the Manic, and it's in the shade Hot Pink. Now I am going to dilute it a bit with some white conditioner, but we'll get into that once we get into the bathroom. As you can see, I already brushed my hair. I did wash it last night because it does recommend on the bottle to have freshly washed hair, but dry. So otherwise, let's just go ahead. We're gonna jump into my bathroom so we don't make a huge mess, and we will get into dyeing my hair. Alright, so we're in the bathroom. I know it's a little bit of a different setup. Don't talk to me about these blue walls. I know they're blue. I need to get them painted. We moved in and all the walls in this house are just crazy colors. So anyways, blue walls. I'm sorry the lighting's a little bit different. I didn't bring my ring light in here, so I'm hoping there's enough sunlight, and then I adjusted some settings. Hopefully that will work for you guys. What you're gonna need is you're gonna need some sort of bowl. Most people buy like the actual hair dye bowls. I just grabbed an old bowl I don't really use anymore for anything, so I'm gonna mix everything up in this. You are of course gonna need your hair dye. So like I said earlier, I'm using the Manic in Hot Pink. I'm gonna dilute it with this Tresemme with Moroccan and argan oil, and I'm just gonna dilute it with this. Make sure you get, I saw this online, make sure you get a conditioner without any silicone in it, because silicone based products will coat your hair and then the dye won't soak up into it. Apparently, I'm not a hairdresser, I just saw that online somewhere. So I grabbed this, there's no silicone in it. You're gonna need some sort of like hair clip to do your sections, hairbrush, and then I also picked up one of these like hair dye brushes. So it just looks like this, and then you can part your hair with the little tip end as well. You will also need some gloves. Now, I totally forgot to pick up gloves. I have no plastic gloves in the house. So I'm using what I have, and I'm using some garbage bags. I just found I'm just gonna wrap them around my hand and then maybe just clip it, and then, yeah. I have my bowl here. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this hair dye. So yeah, just opening it, like my hands are already dyed just from touching it a little bit, so be careful. This is why you want gloves. So once you have the hair dye opened, you're just gonna wanna scoop it into your bowl. So I'm just gonna take a little amount to start with, about this much, and I'm just gonna dump it into the bowl. I'll maybe double that. And then I'm just gonna go in, I'm just gonna dump a bunch of that in there. And you can always add more pink as you go. Probably should have used a smaller bowl so it's not so big to mix. This is like a neon pink, like you guys, look at this. Sweet. And you're just gonna wanna make sure that all of the dye is mixed in with the conditioner. So once I have it mixed up, I'm gonna need a lot more than that because I have thick hair. But I did just get a haircut and got some layers. So some of it shouldn't be as much hair as I used to have to dye, so that's nice. So I am just going to, because I have thick hair, I'm gonna grab really small sections. I'm gonna start with this much at the back, if you guys can see that. And then I'm just gonna, I'm not trying to be fancy here, so I'm not really gonna go in and make sure everything's even. It's all gonna be the same color, so it's not a huge deal. And I'm just gonna pin up my hair so the layer is out. And then like I said, it's just this much, it's just a small layer of hair that I have out. So I'm gonna start with the bottom and I guess work my way up. This will probably be in fast forward, and I'm just gonna go with the brush and make sure everything's coated. I am of course gonna put my plastic bag on my hands first so I don't get all pink. I am going out tonight for my birthday. I'm 25 on Sunday, and my husband Justin is turning 27 next Friday, so we're going out tonight to celebrate our birthdays. Full birthday celebration. And I am wearing an old shirt, well, Justin's old shirt that we don't really care about anymore. I would recommend putting like Vaseline on your ears and stuff too, just because that will help if the dye does touch your ears or on your hairline. It'll help the dye not to dye your skin. I did not put any on because, well, it's me. The hard part, like if you have a friend to help you with this, it makes things a lot easier. Good enough. I'm about, let's say, halfway to 3/4 of the way done my hair, and I've just run out of my little mixture, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix up a little bit more. How much? Let's just go another 2 because we can always add extra. So I'm gonna mix up about the same that I mixed up last time. I literally made like the exact amount. Like I maybe have like the tiniest bit left. Like if you can see, it's pretty much just scraped all the way out. So I'm just gonna scrape like the remnants of it in here, and then I'm just gonna pick it up with my hand and just kind of go over as if it was shampoo and kind of like massage it into my scalp and my roots to make sure I got all the roots okay. And I'm just going to put my hair on top of my head, just kind of wrap it up. Because it's all covered in stuff, it should hold on top of my head pretty well by itself, actually. Okay, so I can go ahead and take these off now. What is my dog chewing on? All right, I'm gonna clean up my section here, and it's currently 12:32, so I'm gonna be back at 1:30. I'm gonna leave my hair on for about an hour, maybe an hour 15, depending on how I feel, and then I'll be back, show you guys what it looks like before, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower and all that kind of fun stuff. So I will be back in about an hour. All right, you guys, so it's currently, I know I'm holding this vlog style, so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's currently 1:35, so I'm gonna go jump in the shower. I was just about to set up, I was gonna actually sit down in like my normal, sorry, it's such a mess in here, my normal filming area to sit down and show you guys, but it's looking a little darker than when I originally put it on. But I was originally gonna sit down to show you guys that. I went to go put my tripod and my camera back in the normal spot it's in, and like I said, I apologize for the mess. Somehow I lost a thing. Like, it's just gone. So when I go to stand it up, I don't understand how, I'm knocking over everything, how it just disappears, but it's like, you know, like it's just gonna fall over. I don't understand, like, where it would have gone. Anyways, I'm gonna wash my hair and then I'm gonna quickly look for that. Hopefully I can find it, otherwise I'm gonna have to makeshift some sort of tripod or something, but I will be back once this is washed out, and then I will show you guys what it's looking like and do my hair, and I'll show you guys the final results. I'll just see you in a little bit. All right, you guys, so I couldn't find the bottom of my tripod, so I'm here with the towel on my head. If it looks different than before, that is why. I can't find that. Like, I don't understand. It literally disappeared into thin air, literally. Great. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this towel. I just got out. I did not shampoo my hair in the shower at all. I just let everything run out of it, so yeah. That's sweet. My roots, oh my god, you guys. Look at my scalp. I guess it told me not to go for my scalp, but it's so pink. Otherwise, it looks really good. Looks really vibrant. And then because I had lighter ends, it'll be pinker, of course, at the bottom, and then darker, a little darker up in my roots, so there's that. My hair feels so soft because I diluted it with conditioner. Like, it basically was like a conditioner mask I had on for like an hour and 15 minutes. So my hair feels so soft and nice and healthy right now. It does not feel damaged at all. So let's just go ahead. I have all my tools back here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair and style it a little bit, and then we will go from there. All right, you guys, and I just put some makeup on my face just because I am going out tonight, But this is the finished hair, so this is just blow dried. I was gonna go over it, I probably will still with a straightener just quickly, but this is just the blow dried look. I love how it turned out. It fades from the roots down into this like vibrant pink at the bottoms, and I just am loving it. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button below. I do post new videos every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel, so you don't want to miss out on that. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in my next video. Bye guys.